Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Kung saan ako maglalaro ng Till. Check out Do Us Apart demo. This is a demo game. So I think mabilis lang to. I hope. Mabilis lang. Pero kasi may ibang demo na matagal matapos guys. Like, halos lahat, alis kalahati ng game malaro mo na. Well, dito sa game na to, we're a couple I think. Tapos, mag-check out tayo. And I don't know if anong mangyayari. Hindi ko nabasa yung description eh. Pasensya na. So, wala tayong ideya. Lalaroin ko na siya. So, it's the time to play this game.
August 1983, New York City. Are we there yet?
Are we there yet? Nope. Reach.
Rage, you'll need to pop the suitcase open. The code 416. Don't forget it.
Okay.
416, got it. Hello, Grace. Hello, Cinnamon Roll.
So, the code is,
Wait, yo.
of course, ang pet. 416. Got it. Okay. 416. Okay.
Pwede ba taasan yung sensitivity? I mean, I think max na to. 416. E to interact. Okay. 4. Oh, man. 1. 6. Remember to throw in my lighter. Top of the dresser. You know smoking's gonna kill you one day, right?
Ah, babae ba to?
Then I'll die cool.
Horror yan kaya? Yes, horror.
Nakatakot. Anything else, Your Majesty?
So, babae tayo.
Keep dreaming.
Okay.
So, tayo mag-shoota. So, top of the dresser, wala. I think ito yung sigarilyo niya. Oh. Bawal mag-crouch. Map. We need that map. Telephone. Ito yung lighter niya. Explain naman yung laro.
Pwede po. Hindi ko pa nga alam eh. Wala pang ideya sa game. Kaya nga naglalaro ako ng game na hindi ko pa nalalaro para, hindi ko rin alam.
Lighter. Clothes natin. Tapos clothes na pambabae, of course. I think magbe-beach tayo. Once upon a mind. Oh, get that. Done packing. I mean, babae pala. Done packing. Already? Yeah, I don't take a century like you do for showers. Hey, check the table. Why? Got that slingshot from the movie set. You could, pass some time while I'm done showering. What? You want me to start target practice in here? Ice cream? Kung natubuhan ko na, yes.
Pero ano eh, ang daming ads eh. Kaya nilaro ko siya nung linggo.
There's that apple tree outside the window. Dare you to hit one clean. Okay. Mark, we are in an apartment, not summer camp. Come on, it's New York. No one looks up anyway. If someone complains, you're explaining. Okay. So, may table daw. Slingshot. Oh.
Okay, si slingshot nga.
Hold it to shoot. So, titirahan natin is mansanas, right? Oh, man, layo!
I'm a perfect shooter, guys. I'm a good shooter. Look. See?
So, may apple pa doon. Banda dito. Sa pool?
Hindi.
Sa pool? Saan pa yung ibang apples? I think yun yan, nakatago sa dilim. Laglag yung isa. So, isa na lang. 3 apples.
Galing, tapos.
Oh, ano ba? 3 apple lang. Oh, wait. Okay, kompleto na.
May tumatawag. Tunog ata yung hayop na humingi ng tulong.
What's up, boy? Hello, Diwatog. Oh, may sprint? The heck? Tatakbo ba tayo? Telephone. Hello? Finally, I've been calling all morning. What's going on with you? Missy trying to get back before your favorite future brother-in-law starts whining, and I forgot something. Future, huh? We'll see about that. So you're really driving all the way out there? Yeah, first up, Saranac, then Topper Lake, Maybe St. Regis when we're returning. What's the point? Why you gotta take a trip in the half state? I just need to get out of the city for a while. And Mark is trying to figure things out. Ano? Bakit di ka na nag-granny? Tapos ko na granny. Figure things out by running off into the woods. Can you not? You don't have to like him, but you don't get a vote. What do you mean? What does she means? Oh, tat. Fine. Just promise me you call when you reach. I'll call, relax. It's just a couple days. Good. You guys safe. Love you. Yeah, bye. Nag-love you too. So, ito yung boyfriend natin. Okay. Who's that? My brother is just being my brother. Everything okay? Yeah. He's just worried. Same as always. Alright. Bumaba na. Yeah, let's go. Okay. So, gabi pa talaga tayo pumunta. Okay. Sabanak Lake, Copper Lake, St. Regis. You sure this is the right way? Is that the map said? All highway saves half an hour. Okay. Looks more like it adds a breakdown. Ang creepy niya naman tumingin. It's fine. It's a quieter out here. Yeah, quiet. That's one word for it. You ever think maybe there's a reason people stop using this route? Yeah, I think. Like, alata naman, bakit may dahilan? Yeah, papuntang forest. Yeah, probably so the city can make more money of gas. Mataas na nga yung gas eh. Of course. Or because just pitch dark, no lights, no downs, nothing. You worry too much. I worry exactly the right amount when you take mystery roads at night. We'll hit a town soon. If not, there's always motels. Right. The kind where you check in and don't check out. Come on, it's just a road. Feels like the world just stop out here. Yeah, that's kind of point. You know, ano yung may mga urban legends na sinasabi sila wag na tayo. May mga nangyayari dito sa daan na to, sa mga rutang to. Alam nyo na eh, dapat di na kayo pumunta eh. Ewan ko ba, bakit may mga matitigas sa ulong taon susubukan pa rin yung mga ganong daan. Bangga mo na yan! Break na tayo! Okay. Meanwhile, a mile away at Buckley Motel. Tapang sila. No, hell no. Huh? Don't forget to light the hallway and clean the damn hallway floor, Harold. Sino naman to? Okay, I won't forget Margaret. And who the heck is Margaret? Oh, mga magazine. Oh, hindi natin pwede ma-interact. Newspaper. Okay. I hope walang jumpscare. Light up the hallway. So, click, hold left click to clean. Oh, Harold. What the? Pati yung, anong tawag dito? Yung, anong tawag? Dialogue ba yan? I don't know. May pangalan ni Harold. So, clean. Ano to? Buhangin. I think everything's good. I hope. Hindi, meron pa pala dito. Bang magalit yung kung sino man to. Asawa ba natin yung Margaret? I don't know. Oh! Dinner is ready, honey. Coming! Coming! Okay. Shut the door. What the heck? What the hell? Bakit Minecraft yung mukha niya? Bakit parang Minecraft pig yung mukha niya? Uncensored? Ano, papakainin mo ako ng isang slice ng lasagna? Hindi mabubusog ako dito. Margaret, E to interact. The hallway still looks dirty to me. Tayo ba? Si Margaret ba yun?
You weren't even there. Oo nga, wala ka naman dun eh. Itong mga narcissist na mga gaya nitong mga taong to eh.
Yeah, but I just know how sloppy you are. That. You hearing me?
I heard you, of course. Ay, kaya ko lang ipakita yung mga asawa mo. No, this is not my wife.
I heard you. Harold, I only want to have some sort of conversation. Why don't you talk to me?
Bro, I'm too... Kuya, thank you. What? I'm talking to you, bro. I mean, I'm talking to you, baby. I'm talking. Of course, I'm talking, bro.
No. No, you're answering.
That's not the same. I'm talking, bro. I'm answering, and also, the way I'm talking, bro. Come on, kalma lang, chill.
That.
Kahit ako mapapaisip ako, paano ako sasagot kung hindi ako magsasalita? I'm talking to you. I'm answering, bro.
You don't love me. Cause I'm sick.
Oh, may sakit. Okay. Valid reason bakit nakatakip yung mukha niya na parang Minecraft pig. I don't know.
Is that it? You don't love me anymore, right?
No, I still love you.
Oh, hindi tayo na sumagot. I don't want to eat this crap. I want to eat lungs.
What the heck? Nag-face reveal na si
Margaret.
What the hell's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? Look at you.
Anong nangyari?
I'm doing everything I can. I can't just get what you want. Then maybe try harder.
Oh, hard to get si Ate Margaret.
Make me feel love, maybe. Maybe start looking at me again. Don't even look at my face anymore.
I'm looking at your face. Wala ka ng Minecraft pig sa mukha. Like, ano ba gusto mong gawin ko sa'yo? Like, gusto mo ibigay ko sa'yo yung mata ko? Like, ang kinim mo? Like, oo, tinapon niya nga yung... Oh.
Who could it be?
Of course, customers. I was supposed to know. Ang galing. Galing ng game na to. Wala, tama naman. Kumakain tayo sa pagkainan. Nagtanong yung asawa natin, sino yun? Like, bro, how am I supposed to know?
Ang hirap intindihin talaga ng ibang tao.
Go check din. Of course. Paano ko naman malalaman kung sino yun, di ba? Stay ka lang dyan.
Oh! Oh, ito ba si ano?
Si Rach.
As sino to? Ito interact. Evening. Looking for a room. Yeah, just one night. Okay. Good evening, kuya. Good evening, Aldrich. Room 1's open. Actually, all the rooms are open. Ha, you should take room 1. It's closest to the lobby, you know.
Of course, so para madali sila makapunta. Kunwari may emergency or something na need. Like request. So malapit sila sa lobby dito sa atin. So yeah, mas mabilis sila makapunta.
Hoy. You're bleeding on your head. What happened?
Oo nga, binato nga tayo ng pinggan. Oh! Tiyak pa natin, cooking accident. Plate slip from the cabinet, nothing dramatic.
If you need anything, towels, directions,
So, di ba? May mga need nga sila like request. Directions, you can just knock or ring the bell here. O, di ba?
Ganyan lang yun guys
Sa mga motel, well, hindi naman lahat. Ipili yung mas malapit sa lobby.
Any diner close by? We've been on the road for hours.
Not on this way. Nearest one shut down years back. Closest food's about 15 miles. Oh, ang layo! Tapos 15 miles papunta, 15 miles pabalik, bali 30 miles. Otherwise, it's just the vending machine outside.
Guess that's road trips for you.
Do you live here all by yourself? No. I have may asawa akong si Margaret na sadistado, kaya nung sakit niya. No, diba? No. My wife's here, Margaret. She doesn't come out much. She's sick. Oh, may sakit niya. Prefers to stay indoors.
But yeah, it's just us.
Gusto niya pala ng... Gusto niya daw ng baga.
Kumakain daw siya ng baga.
Yeah, sabi niya yung kanina, guys. Gusto ni Margaret ng baga. Must be tough. Taking care of the place and her.
No, not all. Routine helps. You take care of the people you love, you know? That's well,
Yeah, tama. Lalo na yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, of course. Ganun naman talaga yun, guys. Besides,
it would feel stranger not having her around. Oh,
what a lucky lady she is.
you are not married.
Oh, Mark!
We take her to si Rachel Price. You're not married, I see.
So, may balak ba tayo agawin yung... itong babae na to? I don't know, di ko pa, wala pa akong ideya sa game na to.
Nope. Okay, nag-isa natin na susi. Right, well, Roman's ready for you.
Good luck. Parang Boy Scout sila kung maglakad. Naroon na ako ulit 5 minutes sa Freddy. Well, next time. So, here's the bell. Date. So, can we lock the door? No, we can't lock the door. So, punta na natin ulit asawa na... Oh, may kulay. Ang creepy. Ano, I'm not talking to you, bro. Magtalas mo akong mag-isa ng ping... Siya pinggan. Wow, inugasan mo na. Wow. Yeah, I think. They sounds young. Yeah, look like college kids. You didn't ask how long they're staying? About a night? Yeah, they said one night. Look like there are some of sort of trip. They're loud. They're got on the TV on. Yeah. Also, yung ingay sa background. Yun na yung TV. Yeah. And they're not married. Not our kind of guest. Right. You know what that means? Oh no! You know, cannibalismo! I mean, cannibalism, kakainin mo ba sila? No, hell no, di ako papayag. For the sake of our people, for the sake of our, customer, iba na lang kainin mo. Yeah, I understand. Good. Now, wash that off your face before they start asking more questions. And just be available at the lobby. Also, under niya tayo, guys. Under niya tayo. Under tayo ni Margaret. Kung hindi, kainin niya yung bituka natin or yung baga o bituka din, no? So, I'm gonna wash my face. Nakakagawan mo? Okay, I'm gonna wash my face. Nakagagawan niya. Aswang yun, kuya. Yeah, I think. Cannibalism. So, the towel. Nakatakot naman yung asawa mo. Yeah, she's kinda creepy. I hope okay na siya. Hello? Okay, interact. Margaret? You good? It's my migraines. You want something? Water, do I bring you water? Maggie? Oh, may nickname. May nickname pa. I'm here, okay? No, Harold, it's okay. Just be at the reception. And Harold, I'm sorry, I know I'm mean toward you sometimes. Oh. Well, I feel bad for this couple, guys. I feel bad for them. Like, may sakit yung siyempre, alagaan mo yung katuwang mo sa buhay. Katuwang mo, ito, yung babae. Asawa mo. Ito, alagaan mo, lalo na pag may sakit. Alam namang asawa mo siya. Once na magkasakit siya, hindi mo tutulungan. Na, bro. Hindi ganun yun. So, but I don't mean it. Just because my sickness, honey. I feel so irritated and upset. Oh. Hello, Mara. Hello, Mara. Ah, man. I'm really feel bad for these couples. Ano man pinagadaanan nila. I know, Maggie. I love you a lot. It'll be fine. I know you won't be sick one day. I hope so. So, ang gagawin natin, magugas ba? Just in the reception. Okay, naghihintay lang tayo sa reception, sa lobby. So, hindi nga sila married. Kasi, pag once na married yan, with taker na rin dapat yung pangalan ni Rachel. Ah! Rachel Price. Hey, sorry to bother you. Oh, no, it's alright.
How can I help you?
There's only one towel in the room. Mark's using it, so... Oh, of course. That's on me. Should have checked before you two went in. So, I think ito yung towel na bibigay natin. Here you go, madam. Freshly washed. Well, washed at least, hahaha. Thanks, you always stay up this late? Sometimes, motel gets quiet around this hour. Can't really sleep when it's too quiet, you know. Mga nga, mali mo, may magnakaw, may pumasok sa kwarto na hindi nagbabayad, tapos may ginawang kababalaghan, you know, nadudumihan pa yung kwarto. Yes, that makes sense. I'd go crazy here alone. Kaya nga may boyfriend ka eh. Oh, I'm not alone. My wife's here, Margaret. Yeah, I know. I meant as if I were to be left alone here, you know. Yeah. Someone's been smoking. Oh! Oh, yeah, sorry. Mark was smoking earlier. I didn't think the smell would carry in. Margaret's sensitive to smoke. Makes her cough. She'll be fine, though. No! Pigilan mo! Sabihin mo sa asawa mo, itigilan pa ninigarilyo. I'm sorry, I didn't realize. I will ask him to stop right away. Okay, that's good. It's alright. You two get some rest, okay? Yeah, good night. Please apologize to her. That cough sounded really bad. Okay. Thank you for your concern. I will. No, Margaret. Honey, my baby. What happened? Are you alright? Hey, Margaret. Oh. I should organize those books before Margaret gets upset. Okay. I think hindi man siya maging upset. Organize it. I can finally shower, then sleep in peace. The trash, honey, before it starts smelling. Okay, so sensitive nga siya sa amoy, guys. So, bawal siya sigarilyo sa populated na lugar, like populasyon, sa mga like, sa mga mababawang, So, I think dito yung, confront him first, Harold. Anak ka ng tuta! Anak ka ng tuta. Parang dinigarilyo. Unbelievable. Thought your girl told you not to smoke around here. Oh, hey, Mr. Harold, I came out here this time. Figured it'd be better than the room. Anak ka ng tipaklong. Sana doon ka sa dulo ng... Ay, ito pa talaga sa tabi ng lobby. Tabi ng room ng asawa ko. That smoke doesn't just vanish out here. It comes in through windows and under doors. Yeah. Right. Didn't mean to worry anyone. Guess it's true what they say. Happy wife, quiet life. What's that supposed to mean? Nothing, just my old man used to say keep the peace. Cause a little pride. Guess you figured that out. Yeah. You're from around here? Born here, never left. Damn. Couldn't be me. We're trying to head west. Me and Rachel once we get married. She wants a small place by the beach or something. So, iniintay nila makasal sila? Married, huh? That's good. So, hindi pa nga sila kasal. Yeah, she deserved it. She stuck around through all my struggling. Actor pays crap. Still does. Must mean something. Man, that bag stinks. It smells like gasoline too. We burn the trash, it gets cold up here, you know. So, paano yun? Di ba allergic yung asawa niya sa, game name, Till Check Out, Do Us Apart. Till Check Out, Do Us Apart yung game ng name. We burn the trash. O, di ba sabi, allergic daw yung asawa niya dun sa smoke, sa amoy, yung usok. But, sabi niya, we burn the trash, it gets cold. Paano yun? Like, yeah, tama. So, ayoko mag-overthink, guys. Won't that hurt your wives lang, my friend? What did you say? You think I don't know what's good for my own wife? You burned the trash. End of story. Relax, man. I understand, night. Elmayas ka sa harap ko, baka ikaw pasunugin ko. So, how? I can finally take a shower now. So, paano tapon? Oh, yeah. My bad. So, they're making me upset. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I mean, hindi sa game lang hindi sa personal. You smell like it. Oh, so amoy sigarilyo na ako. Like what? Smoke! That boy, was it again? Was it me? Yeah. Said he was outside to keep it away from you. And that helps me? How? It finds the way in, Harold. My chest been tied all night. You think that's a coincidence? I told him to knock it off. Telling doesn't fix anything. Yeah, tama. Well, kung nako-confront mo naman yung tao, kung napagsasabihan mo naman, I think matitigil naman siguro yun. Pero sa tao na yun, kung titigil siya o hindi, well, palayasin nyo na dyan sa motel nyo. You think people that like that care? They just take up space, make noise, make you sick, make me sick. It's a kid, Margaret. They're getting, married soon. Married? That's sweet. You remember when we used to dream like that? Before it all went... Oh, man. Oh my gulay. I feel bad for this couple, guys. Nakakainis naman. Anong bang game to? Ba't ako na-stress? Sa game lang yung na-stress eh. Sorry. Don't start. You let them stay and I keep getting sicker. You see that? Don't you? I'm taking a shower. So, bro, I thought si Margaret lang yung narcissist, pero tayo din pala. Yeah, run the water. Pretend you don't hear me. Oh my kulay. I'm sorry, baby. Hindi ako ganito sa personal, pero I'm sorry. I'll have to kill these filthy people. Oh my... No, bro. Bakit hindi na lang yung boyfriend natin? Layas! Saan mo na-download yan? Sa Steam. So, yeah. May pilitan tayong... No, nag-iiba na yung paningin ni Margaret. Oh, what the heck? Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin doon sa mag-couples? Oh my... Oy! Oy! Puno na ng dugo mukha mo! Uy, ikaw pa! Hoy, saan ka pupunta? Yeah. Takbo! So, ito na tayo. Si Margaret nasa labas. Oh, man. Oh, my gulay. Oh, my gulay, guys. Ah! What did you do, Margaret? I couldn't breathe, Harold. Every drug he took, it felt like it was in my lungs. Oh, you killed them? No, I killed them. I had to because you won't. So gusto mo patayin ko sila? Yeah, bro. How dare you pick them over my needs and my health? Now do it. Throw their bodies in the trash. Like you always do. I always do. What do you mean? Ang ibig sabihin, marami na tayo naging customer na... Oh, bro, titignan niya. Bro, that ikakasal yung dalawa eh. Bro, what the heck? Okay, open lang natin yan. Baka mamaya gumawa siya ng creepy things. What the hell you have done, Margaret? Press A to pick up the body, Harold. So, yung dialogue talaga laging kasama yung name natin. So, ito, hawak niya yung beat. Oh my kulay. So, he was holding the beat. Press G to dump their... Oh, what the heck? Oh my. Ito naman, nakatipos. Man. Wala na ikot dyan na police. Kasi itong road na to, sabi diba nila na nang magjowang to na yung wala daw dumadaan sa road na to. So I think wala talaga. Oh! Sunog! Saan ko na-download? Sa Steam. Steam lang. Steam. S-T-E-A-M. So sinunog natin yung katawan nila? Clean the blood. Okay. Yeah, ngayon lang hindi nabanggit yung name natin na Harold. Okay. So, ilinisin natin to. Okay, parang dami ways to die lang. Oh, man, what the hell did you do, Margaret? What did you do, Margaret? What did you do? Kasalanan din ng dalawa eh. Puro nakakaawa. Pero pero kasalanan naman talaga nila. Kasalanan naman talaga nila. I mean, di naman, I think, misunderstanding lang yung nangyari. I don't know. Close the window. Baka mamaya may makatuklas itong pader. Oh, okay na. Okay, labas na tayo. Ah! What the frick, bro? Naging gagamba siya. May gulay. Sumasakit ba ako? Yeah, ikakasal pa naman sila. What the frick? You're sick! The frick, nakatingin siya sa atin. I know, hon. My lungs are done. I can barely breathe. Maybe there helps. And I don't care. It's the only thing left to try. You're sick, sick, sick. This is the third time you have done this. What the heck? Pinakain niya. Hawak mo ang bit. What the heck, bro? Ginagapang niya dalawa. Oh my god, Margaret, pwede ba kita makausap? Hey, Margaret. Look at me, Margaret. Oh. Ah! Ako ba yung susunod mo? No, I'm done. Sige na. You can take your time. Kumain ka dyan. Oh, man. Nasisundan niya tayo ng tingin. Bro, ang creepy. Excuse me, Margaret. Excuse me. Oh, my. Telephone. That was a lot of jump scare. Paano niya kinain? Di ba tinapon mo na? I don't know. Binalik niya like naging pagpag. This is the end of the demo. Which is on Steam. Yeah. So yun lang yung demo. Yeah, parang like till check out us apart. Para bang nakakaawa yung dalawa. Nakakaawa yung mag-couples and also well, di ko alam. Mas mali yung ginawa ni Margaret. Hindi mo ko need kumitil ng buhay ng tao para lang masolusyonan yung kung ano yung like, hindi yun yung magiging sagot sa sakit mo. Hindi yung magiging sagot sa sakit niya. Hindi yung makakaluna sa sakit niya. Like, yeah, hindi magiging sagot yung pagkitil sa buhay ng dalawang taong yun, magjowa ng college na hindi na sana ikakasal. I don't know ba't yun nagawa. Pero yeah, dahil siguro... Pero hindi naman kasi dapat magiging yun yung sagot eh. I don't know. Na kay Margaret na yung ano. So, gusto ko siya malaro yung full game nito. Ang ganda. Titignan natin. Nalaroin natin yung full game next time. So, yeah, mag-stay lang kayo dyan. So, yes, yun lang yung game. Like, ito lang yung buong game niya. Like, demo lang siya. So, maraming salamat sa nanonood. And if you enjoy, please like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you sa inyo. And yeah, maraming salamat. Well, I hope all good na kayo lahat. And kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.